Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting exploration of the universe. Have you ever wondered why space is completely dark even though the sun is shining so brightly? It's a question that has intrigued many of us. We see sunlight illuminating everything on Earth, but once astronauts enter space, it's just blackness. It seems almost paradoxical, doesn't it? What's going on? Let's explore the science behind this strange phenomenon. The answer lies in the nature of light and how it interacts with different environments. On Earth, we see everything around us because sunlight bounces off objects and enters our eyes. This process is called reflection. The air and tiny particles in our atmosphere scatter light in all directions, making the sky appear blue and everything visible. This scattering is what gives us our beautiful blue skies. But space is different. It has no atmosphere, no air, and almost nothing for light to bounce off. It's a vast, empty void. Light itself is invisible unless it hits something. This is a crucial point to understand. In space, there are very few particles, so there's nothing to scatter or reflect sunlight. This lack of scattering and reflection is why space appears so dark. That's why even though the sun is there, space remains pitch black. The light from the sun travels through space without being scattered. If you shine a flashlight in space, you won't see the beam, only the source of the light. This is because there are no particles to reflect the light back to your eyes. This is exactly why space looks so dark. It's a fascinating interplay of light and the absence of matter. So if space is dark, why do we see the sun? This is another intriguing aspect of our universe. That's because the sun is a massive source of light, and our eyes can directly detect it. The sun's light is so intense that it can travel through the vacuum of space and still be visible to us. But the sunlight itself is not visible unless it hits an object, like a planet, a spaceship, or an astronaut. This is why we see these objects illuminated in space. That's why planets and moons appear bright, but the space around them stays dark. There's nothing there for light to reflect off. The contrast between illuminated objects and the dark void of space is striking. So, space isn't actually empty, it's just missing something critical for us to see light, particles to reflect it. This absence of particles is what makes space so unique and mysterious. This is one of the many fascinating things about the universe that makes space so mysterious. The more we learn, the more questions we have. What do you think? If space had an atmosphere, how would it look? Imagine the possibilities. Let me know in the comments. Your thoughts and questions are always welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science facts. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content. See you next time, curious minds. Keep exploring and stay curious.